Welcome to Manifest My Best Life. This is a 5-minute guided meditation for breath awareness and mindfulness. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Sitting upright or laying down on your back. Scan your body and become aware of any unnecessary tension you are holding onto. Now, take a deep breath, inhaling through your nose until your lungs and belly are fully expanded. Hold it. And exhale through your mouth, completely releasing all air from your lungs and belly, like a deflated balloon. And again, inhale a deep breath through your nose, fill your lungs and belly, and hold it. And exhale through your mouth, releasing all air and tension from the body. Now, breathing normally, gently bring your awareness to your breath. You only need to observe the breath, do not change anything. Observe the movements and sensations in your body with each inhale and exhale. Let your attention travel with the air passing through your nose and throat to your lungs, feeling the expansion of the chest and belly. Continue doing this for a few minutes. If you find yourself lost in thought, it's natural. Acknowledge the thoughts, release them, and return to observing the movement and sensations of the body with each breath. Observe the rise and fall of your chest. The air passing through your nose, throat, lungs, and belly. If your eyes are closed, slowly open them, and reacquaint yourself with your surroundings. This has been a quick and simple way to ground yourself in the moment through breath awareness. You can do this anywhere. Remember this mantra at any time of your day: I can manifest my best life. Well done today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and notify for future manifest videos.